Hey guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com back with you today with a quick little job. I'm going to replace this old kind of scuzzy looking porch light. You can see there's also a security camera mounted under it. At one point I did a mod where I took it apart and installed a switch you can see on the side. That's just so I can have the camera on without the light on. So, what porch light did I pick up? Found one that was kind of the same idea. It's a LED porch light and it has a switch underneath, so it's going to be easy for me to run my camera wire in there, grab power for it, and do the same thing. It also has a nice amber porch light lens. But before I do that, I have one update for you. If you remember in the last video I installed a awning switch when I put in my awning light switch, and a fellow in the comments commented, you know, what's going to happen if a load shifts in the storage bay here. Now in my mind it was up out of the way, it probably wasn't going to happen, but he kind of made me think. So I picked up this box. It's just kind of an external outside box for cords and stuff. But it'll work well because I can just open it, do my switch thing, and then it automatically drops closed. So that way, if anything goes against it, it's not going to hit my power awning. If you hit the out of the power awning, I'm going to be driving down the road with my awning coming out, which would be bad, okay? So that's how I'm solving that. I thought about maybe putting a power disconnect in, but then I'd have to remember to do it all the time. This way it kind of automatically falls closed when I'm finished. Anyway, I thought I'd update you on that. So let's get to the other end. Okay, there's the old one. You notice it has a metal backing on it. That's probably because the incandescent light that comes OEM with this would get quite hot, so you need the metal backing. The LED doesn't get hot, so you won't have to have the metal backing. Looks like it has 4 screw holes, and then I'll have to seal around it. Look up here. What we got. So yeah, I get the positive and negative power wire coming in. You can see where that was spliced in. I'll have to clean that up. And then this is the camera power. So it'll be pretty easy to put maybe a small hole in the base of that new one, so I can run that wire through and clean up this stuff, put new butyl tape on there, and get to work wiring up. So wiring in the new one's pretty simple. Coming out of here I have my 12 volts DC. The white is negative and the black is positive. So I have the camera, which has a red as positive and black as negative. And here with white or red, this new light I was reading on the instructions there, it doesn't matter about polarity. You don't have to worry about that. So that's kind of nice. There we go. It's like she's working and my camera's working. Let's go check, make sure the camera's working. Yeah, looks like she's good to go. There we go. All sealed up. Put some sealant around it. See how she looks. Yeah, that should work. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Cheers, everyone. A little gloomy today. Still pretty, though.